So we're at the hatch.
Flash it.
Flash it? Like what do you mean?
The flashlight.
I have to go to, hold on, wait, if I can do that right here.
You left it up there.
Oh no, no, I've got the other one. Hold on, I thought you meant this one.
No, 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 the big
Hold
flash.
on. Hold on.
Just to see.
So hold on, Nora. When we get this number, there's some pens and pencils in the car. Maybe you can jot it down so we don't mess up and forget it. Hold on, I'm trying to find the flashlight. It's back here. It's on a carabiner. Oh no, it's hooked to the same carabiner as this. There we go. Bless you. The allergies.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, hold on. It's right here.
The chlorine.
The chlorine was really strong when we opened the hatch, Nora.
It was super warm. When I opened it, I felt it.
Yeah, which is unusual because this one normally doesn't have like, I mean, the chlorine goes out of it really fast, supposedly. Okay, so here I've got a flashlight. It's not super.
I guess.
What are we looking for? That?
The top of it.
Okay.
Oh, there.
So we're trying to touch that in the water. I'm afraid I'm gonna drop my phone. I don't know if you can see anything, Nora. We're measuring to where we got the elevation. So
Right there.
So what is that? 8 foot 5 inches? It's not really straight. It's kind of caught on those little things. Look, there you go. That's better. That's better. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. I think we were caught on some zip ties. There's a bunch of cables on the ladder. That's even worse. Those cables, yeah, that's good. That's good. So it's 8 foot 5 inches and it looks like a half.
I would say 8, 6, and 8, 11.
You're rounding too much on the 6. It's 8. It's hold on. I mean, if you want it exactly, it's 8 foot 5 and 3/4. So 8 foot 5 inches and 3/4, or 5 3/4 inches. And the other measurement is 8 foot 11. Is that exactly where you did that though? Didn't you do it over here?
What?
Didn't you do the point right here? Like, wouldn't you want to get it exactly where you got the point? Hold on, Nora, don't write that down just yet, because we're gonna get it a little more accurate.
Right up top, right?
Okay, yeah. So like flatten it. Still, you're kind of bending it though. Well, I know. I guess you already measured it. Yeah. You see where it's at? I mean, we're not gonna get it perfect. There's no way. That's totally different.
Hold on. Let's see.
It's under. Yeah. Okay. There's. That's good right there. That's perfect. So actually, it's 8 foot 5 even, and 8 foot 10 1/4. So 8 foot 5 inches even, and 8 foot 10 1/4 inch. Yeah. Wait. That's where, so we're dropping the tape measure to where the top of the end of the tape measure just barely touches the water. So that's like from, so you see the top of the hatch right here and the bottom of the hatch, although we really just probably need the bottom number. It's nice to know what size the hatch is too. But so we measured elevation like right, we measured the elevation like, we put the rod right there on both sides of the hatch. So we need to know how far the water is like from here, and then now we have the thickness of the hatch too, just for our records, just in case we ever need it. So Alejandro's good about measuring more than we need, because inevitably I always don't, and then I'm like, oh, we should have got that while we were up there.
This is 2 feet, just in case.
Okay, and also you already measured. If you want to measure right on there also, the hatch is 2 foot diameter. It's a 2 foot diameter. I trust you. Okay, I'm gonna put the phone away again, Nora. We'll be headed down, and we'll be the only thing we have to do left is we're gonna get this out on the catwalk and measure and take like 8 points on the catwalk, and that's it. Then we'll be headed down. We'll probably lower all this stuff down first, but I'll call you before we do it, okay? Okay, bye.